When was the last time you saw a camera that really excited you? Today, I'm at the Fujifilm House of Photography in London testing out the new Instax Mini Evo Cinema. This is the Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo Cinema, a hybrid instant camera that combines digital capture, short-form video, and physical Instax prints. Out of the box, you get the camera body, a grip attachment, a detachable viewfinder, and a strap. The design is vertically oriented and clearly inspired by classic cine cameras. And that form factor is not just a cosmetic one. It actually encourages a fun, slower, and more intentional shooting style compared to a typical point-and-shoot or smartphone. The standout feature of the camera is the ERAS dial, which allows you to select from a range of 10 decade-inspired visual effects in both stills and cinema mode. From the 1930s to the 2020s, there's a wide variety to play with an additional option to add a frame effect at the switch of a button. In cinema mode, the camera records short video clips of up to 15 seconds, which can be edited into a 30-second video in the Instax app. There's a dedicated switch for toggling between stills and cinema mode. The print lever is also pretty unique. Instead of just pressing a button in a menu, printing is a physical action. You lift and turn the lever twice to print, which makes this camera interesting as you can still print not just your stills, but from a video clip. You choose which frame you want and will come up with a QR code that links back to the video. It's genuinely a clever way of merging physical prints with digital content. At the front is a 5-megapixel camera with a dial that serves as a degree control ring. So once you've selected your effect, you can adjust the strength of the selected filter. This gives you some control over how subtle or styled the final image appears. The shutter button also functions as the record button, keeping the control layout very simple. You also have a frame switch for creative overlays, along with the built-in flash and self-timer options. On the rear is a 1.5-inch LCD screen. It's very small but functional. You can frame, you can review images, and navigate the settings without trying to replicate a smartphone experience. You can also attach a viewfinder here if that's something you want to use. I found it easier to use without the viewfinder because then I could see the screen better. You'll find a USB-C charging port and a micro SD card slot for expanded storage. The camera has limited storage capacity, so it's best to use with a micro SD card. The Mini Evo Cinema uses a small CMOS sensor, so image quality is not the headline feature here. This camera is very much about the experience rather than resolution or dynamic range. It prints onto Instax Mini film and can also connect to the app, allowing you to transfer images or print directly from your phone. Overall, the Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo Cinema is not designed to replace your main camera or even your smartphone. Instead, it just offers a slower, retro experience of capturing moments, one that blends digital flexibility and instant film. It wasn't made for pixel peepers, but for people who just enjoy the idea of a retro cinema camera. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this camera in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.